We've woken up early today and we're going for breakfast. Let's see what there is today. Why is it so dark here? This morning we've come to explore the Spice Bazaar. This is the Spice Bazaar from the outside. This is the front entrance.
Come cube shape, those are glucose and sugar made, which we don't have and we don't recommend you. Firstly, he has got two sons. He's trying to do more. Why we call love tea? Just because about this. Read it. This is when we prepare those ones, the way that we prepare.
So we've come to the Spice Bazaar. There's loads of different shops which are selling spices. We bought a few. Yeah, it's beautiful, yeah. We just left the Spice Bazaar and now we're walking to where our boat is for the cruise. We boarded the boat and now we're going to go for a 2-hour boat trip on the Bosphorus. This cafe on one of the tiny back streets where there's traditional seating and we're gonna have a freshly cold sandwich with some fresh orange juice. So we've come to the Blue Mosque. It's beautiful. We've been inside already and now we come outside to the courtyard. We took a taxi from the Blue Mosque and now we're in Balat where the colourful houses are and the stairs. We've come inside to sit down in the Balat Antique Cafe and we're gonna have some orange juice and just chill for a bit. Now we've come to the Renkle Evle, which is the colourful houses.
Yeah. I got another thing.
And now we've come to a vegan restaurant for dinner.
100% homemade.
So after a long day of exploring Istanbul, we finally come back to our hotel and the sunrise is happening. Sunrise? No, you can tell it's been a long day. The sunset is happening and it looks beautiful.